Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted TikTok videos. Now, from your TikTok account here, you want to go to the profile section here. Now, on the profile section, you want to click on the top three bars here. On the top three bars, you want to go to settings and privacy here. When you click on that, you want to scroll down and then you want to find Activity Center here. On Activity Center, just tap on it. After that, you have to scroll down again and you want to click on the recently deleted button here. Now you'll see on recently deleted, all of the videos and posts that you have ever posted and or deleted will be put here, right? To note that once you delete a video and it goes over the 30 days mark, you won't be able to restore it and it will be permanently deleted. So you will have to move fast. So for example, here I have this video I want to restore. I'm just going to click on it. And then I'm going to click on restore here. Tap on it again. And now if I go back to my account, you can see after I refresh, the video will be put here again and has been restored. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.